Skippa allegedly got beaten up by members affiliated with Malie Donn and the Six Camp. We have all seen the talks on social media. Listen, I have the video and I'm not releasing the full clip just yet. So make sure you follow, subscribe, and stay locked into ReggaeMedia, because when the full video drops, right, you already know where you saw it first. And let me just clear something up immediately, because I've seen people saying, right, the video doesn't exist, saying the Six Camp is lying, saying this is all just for clout, not no gusso. No, the video is real. The small clipping alone is proof of that, right? So plus screenshots, right? Nobody else have this footage right now, right? I'm sure when I release the video, a lot of people will see it. So this is an ReggaeMedia exclusive. But before we even get into the footage itself, we have to talk about the backstory, because, you know what I mean, this situation didn't just randomly happen right overnight. According to Antoine, who is a close friend of Malie Donn, right, this all started during Jamaica Carnival. Now, everybody already saw the chaos surrounding the attack involving Javi Ambassador and ypree during, you know, the Carnival season, the festivities, you know, everything that took place at Carnival. But apparently that wasn't the only altercation taking place, you know what I mean, behind the scenes. According to Antoine, he was also attacked by Skippa, allegedly by Skippa and a group by Skippa and Skippa entourage, right, during Carnival festivities in Kingston. So Antoine, you know, told Malie Donn and other members of the Six Camp that, you know, he was attacked in Kingston by Skippa and all of them. And from there, the man them decided that Skippa needed to be taught a lesson. Now, whether you agree or disagree with that type of mentality, that's allegedly, you know what I mean, what happened and the energy with the man them, or what the man them was, you know, did a pre. So fast forward to Miami. Skippa reportedly traveled to Miami for a show, probably thinking everything was calm, everything was okay. But, you know, Malie Donn, you know what I mean, and others allegedly spotted Skippa in Miami at a hotel with a girl. And, you know, that's when everything went left. According to Antoine claims and what we see circulating on social media, Skippa was confronted, you know, beaten up, and all of those other things, and everything was caught on video. Not only that, Skippa chain was taken during the altercation, and yes, I have footage kind of connected to the chain, and I'm sure you guys saw the pendant of Skippa grandma, right? So a lot of people might have already know after the incident happened. Malie Donn posted a message to Instagram and then deleted it shortly after. In the post, he said, "Never know we would have catch you. Real life thing we are deal with." So real life thing he might deal with. And immediately, you know, a lot of people interpret that as confirmation that, you know, the situation actually happened. Malie Donn them broke up Skippa and all of that. Now, even though the post was deleted, you know, Quest Time see everything. So Quest Time managed to capture to get a screenshot, right, before Malie Donn deleted the post. And before it's, you know, and then it starts circulating on social media. Hours later, literally hours later, Skippa himself posted on social media saying, "Good morning, Miami," with a laughing emoji. And that post right there created a complete different reaction from other people, like Skippa fans and other people saying, "Oh, no, say on the broke up Skippa and Ray, but the artist look alright, the artist good, the artist up and Ray." Because some people started saying, "Hold on, if Skippa can post on Instagram with laughing emoji, not no go so, right?" While others were saying, "No, he's just trying to see a face, like him get the beat up and no, all him can do a laugh or a smile about it." You get me, I say? And, you know, that's the thing about social media culture in today's day. You know what I mean? People don't talk about enough, because in today's day, nobody wants to look weak on social media. Nobody wants to be embarrassed, right? Especially artists, especially artists and them street cred. Artists no want nobody play with them street cred. You see me? So, you know, you have to see your face, and you have to try to control the narrative sometimes, so we understand that. But then Antoine came forward publicly and added even more fuel to the fire by basically confirming that the beating actually happened, right? Which brings me back to what I said at the beginning of this video. The footage exists. People were doubting it. People were saying the story was fake, but clearly something happened because too many people connected to the situation have indirectly or directly responded to it. Now in a moment we're going to look at the clip together, right? But before we do that, again, make sure to subscribe to Owen Allen Media, turn on the post notification for Owen Allen Media across all platforms, TikTok, Instagram, you know, Facebook, anywhere you consume the content, right? So we're gonna check out the video right now. That's it. You wanna watch it again? All right, take a look again. Yep. So now, after watching that, right? After watching all of that, let me know your thoughts in the comment section, right? Do you think this was, you know, what do you think this was, right? Do you think the situation went too far, or do you think, you know, this is what happens when you try to take badness to people and then people retaliate and whatever the case is? Me personally, I just hope the situation doesn't escalate any further from here, right? I hope Skippa is okay. I hope nobody feels the need to retaliate in another way like how we see them. Yeah. So, and I hope none of these youths end up unalive or in prison or thrown their future, their career away, or, you know, over pride and internet validation or whatever the case is. Because at the end of the day, the streets don't really have no winners. And like VybzKartel and Squash said, the streets don't love nobody, right? So protect yourself, move smart, do your thing smart, and stay out the way and stay safe out there, you see me? And we already know in the minds of the people online, you know, you guys, this is more than likely, you know, retaliation, and this is where I need people to pay attention. One thing about, you know what I mean, the streets, right? Whether in dancehall, you know, hip hop, you know, the YNs, them as them call it, actions usually create reaction. And once you embarrass somebody, right? And all of them think that like people are gonna need revenge, like people are gonna want to, you know, escalate things. So that's why we say this. Badness sounds like fun online, like entertainment online, but you know it have real consequences out here. It have real consequences out here. So 1 minute they are carnival a dating, then the next minute it turn into something else. You see me? So we just have to know what we are do out here, youths. You see me? So again, that's the video. Let me know what you think about the video. As me say, we have the full video. I watch the full video and everything, but me not release the full video and yet.